guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install today. Today's wig is from Luvmehair. Now, if you don't know about Luvmehair, they produce game changer on effortless wig installations. Number one, all of their wigs are uncompromising quality. Number two, they are always ready to go wigs. For example, I took this one straight out the box and I installed it today. And number three, all of their wigs are at a really good price. Switching it up is everything, and a lot of us ladies like to switch up our wigs every now and then, and Luvmehair is the perfect brand for that. So the particular wig that I'm wearing today is their 13x4 side bob wig. Now, as you guys can see, it has like this blonde fringe kind of highlight thing going on here, so it helps to stand out. The one that I'm wearing today is 10 inches, and there's a couple of things that I wanted to mention about this unit before we actually jump on into the install. So again, as you guys can see, it has the edgy blonde fringe highlight thing going on. The side part helps to frame your face, kind of like a blunt cut type of style, but it's a really good comfortable length. This particular wig is free parting. As I mentioned earlier, it is a 13x4, so you can style it however you choose. I will be showing you guys the side part today, which I'm rocking right now, like the little C part, and I'm also going to show you guys how it looks with the middle part. And last but not least, it does come with pre-bleached knots, so little to no work for you to do. I installed this wig with no baby hairs. You guys know I am not a fan of baby hairs, but we are going to take easy installing steps, so for all my beginners out there, you'll be able to follow along. The hair also does have a nice natural shine to it. I didn't use any product in this hair whatsoever, so what you see is what you get. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into the unboxing and the wig install. Okay, you guys, so we are officially done with the wig install. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know if you like it with a side C part or if you prefer it with the middle part. Once again, the good thing about this wig is that you can style it however you choose. It's very versatile. Not to mention, it was just some quick and easy steps in order to install this unit today. The wig does come ready for you. It's a ready to go wig, so all you have to do is just take it out the box, install it, and style it as you please. I really hope that you guys found today's video helpful. You found it enjoyable. Make sure you check out my description box down below because I will have all the information, including the direct link to this unit, in my description box. So make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. But that'll be all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.